Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose in the Moose is Loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. Thank you all so much for tuning in once again. And before we get started, as usual, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. That's all you gotta do. That's all you gotta do. Then Moose won't be on your back. Asking, what are you guys doing? So, sorry, just Elon Musk called me 9 times today. He's like, did you pick up more Cardano? Should I buy Bitcoin? I'm like, this guy's building rockets, asking me what to do. But I don't blame him. I'm sure a lot of you are watching the channel and you're like, how can I become more like the Moose? How do I think like the Moose? How do I do it? And the answer is you subscribe, you like, and you comment. That's it. You do those things, I'm telling you, you get somewhere. So we're gonna have to like get people to comment, their success stories with the Moose. So I know some of you are thinking, this guy's lying, but he's not. He's not. All right, DEGA. So what are we gonna do with DEGA? DEGA is right now what I call, and I've called it, the greatest Cardano ISPO. It has already eclipsed Meld's ISPO, which is my second favorite. And that's just based on me being in the space for 4 or 5 years. So no big deal, right? And DEGA, right now, you can delegate to the DEGA 1 ISPO. And we have videos here on the channel. So we're going to get into a little bit of their Twitter. And also, guys, go on the channel, subscribe, and type in DEGA. And watch this video. The DEGA multi-chain ISPO delegate now. This is for Cardano's blockchain. I should probably update that title as well. But that will get you into the ISPO. Instead of earning ADA rewards, you will be able to claim or get it in the form of airdrop DEGA tokens. So it's a great way for the project to grow, to give us access as well. So there's a lot happening there. Now, the other thing is their Twitter. So follow them on Twitter. And of course, we're going to check out my rewards. And shout out to Fareed. Guys, Fareed for president. I feel like he could do it. He's a much better speaker than Joe Biden, let's be honest. And, he's the man. Fareed's the man. Like, he's pumping out more content than Joe Rogan. He's crushing it. Fareed, we love you, bro. So also, look at this, guys. The Moose is smiling. The Moose likes this. It looks like Crypto Frog, Core Frog. Shout out to you. He even put the Moose is loose. Follow Moose YouTube for amazing crypto content. So some of us are seeing it. So shout out to you, Crypto Core Frog. I love it. I love it. So it's got some retweets. Let's retweet it again. I'm gonna. It's just funny. This is probably one of my better videos too. And again, if you guys want to learn how to view rewards, we're doing it in this video, but we have videos where we strictly do that, and I don't, rant about random stuff. So yes, Moose is loose, brother. Love it, love it. So we're doing live tweets. Well, this isn't live, but right now it's live for me, right? So today we are also Sunday, August 27th. We have another epoch ending. So with Cardano, every 5 days is an epoch, and that's when you earn more ADA. So it's another block rewards being distributed. We're not going to get into it too much. So how do we get here? Let's get into how do you view your DEGA rewards? And we're going to get into how much the Moose has. So what you're going to do is we're going to close this. You're going to go to dega.org. Okay, so we're going to do a refresh. Dega.org. If I can, I will add it in the link in the description below. You're going to go to ISPO Rewards Dashboard. Okay, so we're specifically talking about Cardano's ISPO. So that's all we're talking about. And let's clear the addresses down here. Let's clear them. So what you're going to do is plug in your address down here. Now, you're not going to put in your public address. You're going to put in your state key. And I'm going to show you guys how to find that. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to cardanoscan.io. So for example, I've got a Trezor. This is probably my largest wallet for this ISPO. So you're going to go to receive, and you're going to paste your public address into Cardano Scan. Then you're going to go to your controlled state key. You're going to copy, paste right here. Add address. And right now, 12,862 ADA just for that wallet alone. I got some others. We're going to add some more. So you can stake multiple addresses. I'm managing a couple other wallets for friends and family. And yeah, let's add another one. So here I've also got all my keys. I probably shouldn't share this much, but who cares? I'll fight you guys off. And I lost my watch. Well, I didn't lose my watch. It broke. The moose keeps manhandling. Yeah, I have a very... Yeah, I opened up the aperture to like an f2.8. Plus I get a speed booster. So, guys, I've been doing video production for quite a while. If you're wondering why my videos look so sexy, it's not because of me, as you could probably tell. I'm behind the camera usually. So you won't see me on OnlyFans anytime soon. I got a ledger, and that is this wallet right here. Ledger 1. Yeah, if you guys see me on OnlyFans, it's because I'm filming the content, not on the camera. Receive 2M. So we're going to go here. Paste. Oh, sorry. See, I already made a mistake. What we're going to do is copy. And we're going to paste up here. Search. And we got 3,000 ADA. Guys, I've been accumulating. I've got almost 20,000 ADA between a couple of my wallets here. So this is what you can expect for about 20,000 ADA. And again, you don't need that much. I recommend at least 500 ADA. So the guys, like, these are free rewards. So between these two wallets, this is roughly that's 16,000 DEGA with two wallets. And of course, that is a live stake of 18,500 ADA approximately. So per 10,000 ADA, you're doing pretty good. And one thing to note is that, and we have videos here on the channel, I'll go through it. I'm also holding Meld and Copy in my wallet. So you have to have a minimum because they have a partnership. And let me go to this. Check out this video. So DEGA ISPO, I talk about some of that stuff in here. This is step-by-step how to stake. So if you've never done it, this will teach you everything you need to know. DEGA rewards dashboard, similar to what we're doing. DEGA is better than you think. Look at the moose trying to be smart there. What is he doing? And yeah, there's also the 5% bonus reward. So you can, you know, watch those videos, get yourself educated. I show you guys how to get the bonus rewards. Basically, it's, I believe in numbers, it is 1,600 Meld or 3,200 Copy. Or vice versa. You got to watch the video. So in my wallets, you can see that I have Meld. Yeah, so it's 3,500 Meld or 1,600 Copy. So if you want the partnership bonus rewards, it's an extra 5%. But what I recommend is that if you are staking to DEGA 1, just stay in till February of 2024. You will get the real bonus rewards of like 25%. So on top of everything, you're going to get a nice gain. So I'm trying to get 50,000 DEGA. Comment down below. Do you guys think Moose is going to get 50,000 DEGA? And at this point in time, well, we have September, October, November, December. Yeah, the Moose is crazy. So the Moose is definitely going to be picking up more Cardano. I'm going to be delegating probably a 20 to 25,000 ADA portfolio towards this ISPO. And yeah, then I'll begin to yield farm, and I'm just going to become a Moose millionaire. So the first Moose to become a multi-millionaire. For sure, for sure. So with that being said, everybody, I feel like I did a good video. Voila. Even though I don't have my watch, got a terrible watch tan. Look at that. Look at that. It looks like I'm wearing a watch, but I'm not. Anyways, guys and girls, whoever's watching, Love you all. Thank you for watching, and the moose is loose. Bye.